Hi, it's Anna with WTI. Do you have a hard time waking up in the morning? That's been a struggle my whole life. But JUXLamp has been helping with this amazing wake up alarm lamp. 30 minutes before my alarm goes off, this thing slowly starts getting brighter and brighter, like it's actually the sunrise right in my face to help my body start waking up. And then when my alarm goes off, it's not some blaring that jolts you out of sleep and you start your day angry. I wake up to birds tweeting, morning sounds. They also have a timer setting, which I use at night when I go to bed. I set the timer for about 10 minutes. There's some really relaxing sounds that it plays, a light lamp, and I read my book. When the light goes off, I know my time is up and I go to sleep. It's very easy to adjust all of the settings. You can use the buttons on the actual lamp. The manual is very helpful in that. Personally, I like using the app. It has tons of options and it's very self-explainable how to change everything. This lamp has totally transformed my waking up in the morning and my bedtime routine. So if you'd like to experience some major transformations for the good, I highly recommend you get this and try it out for yourself. But that's just my point of view.